Let's rise and shine and give Jah the glories. His mercy enduring for me. Make me free like the birds in the trees. Let us sing and shout His praises forever, so the world can see. Give thanks and praise to His majesty, knowing that He is the conquering lion, and He can set you free. Jah children, open your eyes and see. The meek shall inherit the earth, and the wicked shall get his reward.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch not hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
He's got numerous hits under his belt. He's here tonight. He's ready to work for you. Question, are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? That's right. Talk to Vanessa.
Yes, sirree. The big hit. One of his biggest hits. Kindness for weakness. True love. And so many songs, it's too numerous to mention.
Ladies, without any further ado, coming to the stage, the one and only, the legendary Glen Washington. Come on! Glen Washington!
Yeah. Yeah. Your love is like a burning fire way down in my soul. Your love is like a burning fire deep down in my soul. Oh, it moves me, soothes me. I love the way it moves me. Your love is like a burning fire deep down in my soul. Blessed be His holy name. He's worthy to be praised. Jah is worthy to be praised. Yeah. Tonight still in Ghana, Xavier Massacre. Jah Rastafari. Do, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. The shepherds asleep, my son, the sheep will have gone astray. Hey, everyone's taken to their own way. And I can see the wolves and the leopards encamped around since yesterday. Man should know that the wicked are play. From the pages of old, I see men always want to take control. Envious greed I see in their eyes. But the Father of love protects me. I'm safely lying in His fold, singing His praise while the good times roll. I'm walking on the right road, and only Jah can help me take the overload. Only Jah your love can set me free. Walking on the right road. The blessings of God is all over me. He opened my eyes that I can see. When it seems there's no way, I pray, and all my troubles are taken away. Let them be up for the things that I say. We were meant to be free, my brothers, in spite of this mental slavery. Of only your love and His mercy I speak, walking on the right road. And only Jah can help me take the overload. Only your love can set me free, walking on the right road. The blessings of God is all over me. He opened my eyes that I can see. Oh na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah. Ooh, oh na 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 na, yeah. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on the throne. Yeah. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on the throne. Yeah. Just sit up on the sea. Now just pray. With his eyes cold and green, wrapped around the golden throne. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on the throne. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on the throne. Toronto, you feel it? Oh, na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah. Ooh, ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na. His mercy enduring for me. Ooh, let's rise and shine and give God the glory. His mercy enduring for me. Make me free like the birds in the trees. Let us sing and shout His praises forever, so the world can see. Give thanks and praise to His majesty, knowing that He is the conquering lion, and He can set you free. Your children, open your eyes and see. The meek shall inherit the earth, and the wicked shall get his reward. They promise to give you the world, but don't listen to the voice they have brought. They'll never get away. No. Ooh, man, if you're weary, tired and heavy laden, your burden you know we will be here. Jah will protect you, so have no fear. You shall be like trees planted by the rivers, living with humbleness dear. No more in bondage, but nice that we share. Let's rise and shine. Ooh, let's rise and shine. Rise and shine. Let us rise and shine. Rise and shine. Listen. He who seeks of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away. He who checks for only wealth and not for his own physical health will fade away. Hear what I say. The man who worships silver and gold shall surely, surely, surely lose his own soul. He's gonna fade away. The rich is getting richer every day. Now the little that the poor has got, they want to take it away. Fire burn them. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's rise and shine. It's mercy enduring for me. Your mercy enduring for you and me. Let's rise and shine. Yeah. If you could see what I'm really feeling, then you would know what I'm talking about. Woman, you gave my life no meaning. You made me feel like singing and shout. Once before I was a robot. Before I met you I was running about. But now I've got a new sense of purpose. Now I feel like running my mouth. I wanna sing sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. Got to find out the reason why. Shooby-dooby-doo, shooby-dooby-doo. I'm gonna love you till the day I die. How good and how pleasant it's been since you opened your life and let me in. Now no matter how jealous people try, I'm gonna love you till the day I die. And if this feeling we have shouldn't fall that, then you will see a grown man cry. But to me it would be a disaster. There's no reason to question. But it don't get sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. Love you till the day I die. Shooby-dooby-doo, shooby-dooby-doo. I'm a man who just can't live a lie. Sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. I'm gonna love you till the day I die. Shooby-dooby-doo, shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby. Sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. Shooby-dooby-dooby, shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby. Sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. Rastafari. Consider me, baby. Consider me. Na-na-na. I know you're trying to be a big girl and keep your tears from your eyes. No, no, baby. But oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 darling. Please consider me. Ooh. Oh, I know all of your friends have left you all alone. Oh, and all the good times you had with them are gone, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na-na. But little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 darling. Please consider me. Consider me, baby. Yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Ooh. Consider me, baby. Yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Listen. Ladies. baby. You said you weren't around much anymore, baby. I stopped dropping by without an appointment, a little darling. Cause I heard life coming through your doors, yeah. Sometimes late at night you would call me before you close your eyes to sleep. A little woman, I made a vow that I would stop by sometime, but baby, that's a promise I can't keep. Cause I love you too much to ever stop liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. I love you too much to ever stop liking you. Don't expect me to be your friend. Consider me baby. Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Consider me baby. Ooh na 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 na. I need more time in your life. I've got to have a fighting chance to make it right. No, no, no. Remove all the heartache and strife. And right now all I'm thinking of is kissing wife. You drop some love on me now, baby, I can't get free. Can I leave you now? I need more time in your life. I've got to have a fighting chance to make it right. No, no, no. Remove all the heartache and strife. And right now all I'm thinking of is kids and wife. You dropped off love on me now, baby, I can't get free. Can't believe I'm not dreaming, this is reality. There's never a time I'm thinking that I don't think of you, baby. So deeply in love I'm sinking, I don't know what to do. Into the bridge now, this love is so high, we can't get over it. No, no, we're feeling so high, we can't get around. When we trust in the powers of the Most High, we'll be satisfied. Forsaking all confusions, mixed with foolish pride. For the rest of my years I'll be here, standing by your side, baby. And always doing good to those who would take me forward to the bridge again. This love is so high, we can't get over it. No, no. We're feeling so high, we can't get around. A man got to be at home to see his children grow. Exalting truths and rights and watch the fires blow. Now if I should lose these feelings, I won't know what to do, no, no. Cause I'm really not one of those guys just passing through. I need more time in your life. I've got to have a fighting chance. Listen, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this blessed day. Take you in, take you in. Stop it, stop it. Peter Morgan, may his soul rest in peace. Rastafari bless. It's a good vibe. I don't know if you're feeling as good as I am right now. Give thanks. To all the mothers in the house, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day. Hope you live long, stay strong, and be a mother, the mother that you are. All the mothers of the world. This one. I just can't live without you. No, come on. much for having me. It's been a pleasure. One love. That's the bar.
Yeah. Come on, make some noise for Glen, Washington. Oh, I'm telling you, man.
This is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual. Messenger said that. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Charles
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr.
Kings
Charles
of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah. Messenger.